Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tiny Rooms Therapy. This is the home of a dear friend. Alex hadn't made many changes in his house for a very long time, but this year he wanted to do something very special for the holiday season. A beautiful and bright, festively decorated living room. It seems someone is trying to wait patiently. Good news for Alex and Ollie, we are here to help. In our fourth Tiny Rooms therapy session, we are creating a wonderful and miraculous Christmas living room. And we do this as always as a 1/16 scale miniature. Let's get started. First, Alex needs a comfy chair for his new living room. I sketched the form on modeling board and cut the needed pieces. I'm carving out the chair shape. This is sanding paper on a paper roll. When the sanding is completed, I put on 2 coats of watered-down glue. Then I paint the chair in a nice soft grey color. Oh, I have already made the chair legs out of balsa wood. Now I'll make one of these furry pillows. I prepared a piece of cardstock, on that I glue strands of this fringe ribbon yarn. Glue the ends to the backside, this creates a fuller, fluffier appearance. That's it, really simple. Let's add a second little pillow for Alex's new chair. Next, let's build a small faux fireplace. Cut the pieces from mat board, glue them together and sand the edges. Then I paint it white. Here I chopped some tiny logs and glue it into a stack. This goes into our wood storage. These are little houses cut out of mat board and covered with mirror foil. I have cut matching fronts from cardstock, now I paint them. Next we are going to make a gorgeous Louis XVI style giltwood mirror. I cut the basic form from mat board. Then I cut out the frame. I don't know if you can see it, I made a very fine second frame for the perimeter. Now I'm adding a decorative border around the inner frame. This is the pattern for the whole French antique mirror. I sketched the design on parchment paper. Again I'm working with simple wood glue. I'm drawing the ornaments, letting one layer dry and adding more layers with design details on. Hopefully this will look convincing in the end. When the ornaments are well dried, I just peel them from the parchment paper. Then I paint them with gilding liquid. I added additional design parts to the mirror frame and gilded that too. So that is one of the gems of our Christmas room. I glued all the ornamental parts on. Now I add a little bit of lighter gold paint for highlights. I prepared this mirror for the frame, but then I decided to use marble instead because a mirror makes filming nearly impossible. These discs are for the coffee table. For the lower part I cut a circle out. I glue 3 legs on and painted gold. For the tabletop I take the same marble foil. And this is our table. Now let's make the Christmas tree. This is a little collection of beads. I make them into Christmas ornaments with jewelry pins. I knotted the ornaments on a strand of tinsel. Now I wrap it around the tree. I also tied some little ribbon bows and added them to the Christmas tree. These are parts for the nativity scene, gluing them together. Then I carved the tiny figurines of balsa wood. I added the star and some trees. And finished. Of course, we need Christmas gifts. Lots of them. Let's make a basket. I take this wood edge band, decorate it with a ribbon and bow, and green conifers, and embellish that with golden beads. Now I make little candle holders from balsa wood. These are the French doors. Cut from mat board, I paint them white. Here I am ironing on wood edge band for the floor. The floor and the walls are done. Let's glue the room together. We're approaching the finish line. This was the objective for our fourth Tiny Rooms therapy session. Creating a wonderfully decorated Christmas living room for Alex as a 1/16 scale miniature. Now let's reveal the end result. Here is Alex's little new living room, with a wonderful Louis XVI style giltwood mirror, a comfy armchair, and of course a gorgeous Christmas tree. What do you think? Is this a room you would like to live in? Well friends, that's it for today. I hope you liked this Tiny Rooms therapy session. If you have questions or ideas, let me know in the comments below. Please also watch my other miniature making of videos. It would really help me to grow this channel if you share and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell and you'll know instantly when I post a new miniature room. Merry Christmas everybody! Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!